Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by declaring a class to model behavior and state. That's the first actionable step. Define class myClass and add an init self to store attributes. You do this because grouping data and behavior prevents scattered globals and makes code reusable. Once done, add one or two simple methods that operate on self. Make sure to pass self explicitly and use clear names. This sets up a clean blueprint you can instantiate and test immediately. Now you instantiate and interact with objects to see your class in action. Create obj equals myClass value, so each instance keeps its own state, and then call obj method to perform operations or change attributes. You do this because methods encapsulate behavior and avoid external state manipulation. Once you have multiple objects, consider composition to combine responsibilities or inheritance when you need a specialized variant. Make sure to write small tests that exercise methods and expect to finish, refine your class for clarity and robustness so it behaves predictably when used. Implement repr or SDR to get readable debugging output. This helps when printing instances and logs. You should add unit tests that assert attribute values and method returns, catching regressions early. If things go wrong, check that you use self consistently, that method signatures match calls, and watch indentation errors. Once tests pass, your class is ready for integration and reuse across modules.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.